Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Justice, where everything's tracked now. I know this is a different video. This isn't a track video, alright? So this is a laptop video. And I'm making this because the way I felt is when I was looking for laptops, alright? So let me just give you a little backstory. I have a laptop, right? I got this laptop back when I was 17, alright? And that was back in 2015. And I'm still using it, but it's slow now. Like the laptop is super slow. It's very unusable now because it had an i3 processor, right? So back when I was like when I first started college and I got my getting my degree in computer networking technology, it worked fine. But now I use it. Now when I use it simply just to do like my homework because I'm working on my second degree. I don't use it for YouTube anymore. I'm not using it to put in codes anymore. Like I'm not coding on my laptop anymore. I'm not making website pages anymore. But here's the thing. And for anybody who keeps on my track videos, before I wanted to make actual content, like I'm gonna get me a Canon Mark 50, so Canon Mark 52, and I want to start making my vlogging videos again, but without using my iPhone 12, which I'm using right now. Because thing about the iPhone 12 here is that I only have 64 gig memory, right? So me making these videos, I have to do 1080p, and like the iPhone 12 is okay. It's a fine camera, but I want a DSR camera. But before I could do that, I need a laptop. I need a laptop that was good, that was going to be able to edit 1080p or 4K videos. And I want a laptop that wouldn't freeze on me anymore, something with good frame rates. And that's what I got. Okay. I got the Lenovo IdeaPad 5i. It has an Intel, I think it's 12th gen i5 core processor, 16 gig of RAM, and 256 solid state drive. All right, and I could not find a video specifically for this laptop. Oh yeah, it's also in gray, but yeah, I couldn't find a video specifically for this laptop. So let's get on with it. So this is the box. I got it from Office Depot for $5.49. Office Depot just had a whole bunch of sales on all their items, like for the past 4 days, 3 days, 4 days, and I took advantage of that. So it's $5.49. I just looked back at it today, and it's now $5.99. And that deal ends on the 28th. Today's the 27th. So if y'all want to get a laptop from Office, y'all better go Office Depot because they're like hundreds of dollars off right now. And I picked this one up last night. So $549.99. I think it's originally like $849.99 or something like that. But anyways, I got a very good deal. But let's get into it. All right, let's hurry up. I'm trying to watch Top Gun Maverick, and I want to make sure I get a ticket because I was looking at the tickets and they're all about sold out. Like everything, everybody and their mom was watching Top Gun Maverick. So here goes open. Actually, that's the last. Let's do this first. So right here, so right here we have the power cable. All right, we got the power cable brick. So safety and warranty guide, setup guide, and we have the laptop itself. All right, so let's get this out the way. There's nothing left in the box. All right, this feels better. This feels good. That one over there is like straight plastic. This feels like aluminum. Okay, this feels good. So I'm not going to use tech word because, like I do have a degree in computer network technology. So I'm gonna keep it in English. All right. So right here is your cooling fans. Right here it just says Windows. So that's the cert. That's like the little stamp they put to let you know that you have a certified Windows operating laptop. On the front, it's like I said, it's gray. It says Lenovo on the bottom right side of the monitor screen. We have two cushions on the front, one long cushion on the rear. All right. Okay, that's nice. So here you open, it says Lenovo services. Thank you for your purchase. You are going to love this. You get 50% off your first special order. The little screen cloth. Okay, this is, oh yes. So, like I said, this is gonna be my first impressions. I'll do an actual review on it sometime in a month. But let's look at the laptop. By the way, this laptop already feels better than one I have, the HP laptop I have right now. So as you can see, it has Intel Core i5, Intel Iris Xe. So that's a graphics chip. So that right there, depending on the chip you have, uh, depends on the type of like frame rates they'll be able to be handled in video games and stuff like that. E-support, so I guess you scan that QR code right there. You have your speaker, keyboard. Keyboard feels pretty straight. It's okay. I felt better keyboards. It's better than the one I have, but I felt better keyboards. But this one's straight. Your pad, Lenovo, other side of speaker. You don't have, so it says because this is a 14 inch, because this is a 14 inch, you don't have your uh like your 10 digit numeric keyboard. That's usually on the 15s and up. That's your power button. That's the screen. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. And we do have a camera. Please remove. So we're gonna remove it. All right. You know it's crazy. I don't think I ever used a laptop camera ever in my life. It does have a like where you can close your your camera lens. You can close it up. It has, oh yeah, it also has Dolby Audio. I don't know if I said that or not. I will say this, I believe the keyboard is backlit. Hey, I also like to show that I have two USB ports, a SD card, USB-C charging port, aux port, and an HDMI port. And that'll be all of the outputs on this laptop. Yeah, so this is the unboxing. It's 14 inch Intel Core i5. I heard really good things about this laptop as a whole. And I'll definitely be seeing how it works on everyday use and with video editing once I get my Canon Mark II 250 camera. All right. So with that being said, subscribe. I know I'm a tech channel, but subscribe if you don't want to miss out on my 1 month review. All right. So with that being said, my name is Justin Smith for Everything's Tech. I'll see y'all later. Peace.